This is ACT December 2022, number 32. Please pause the video to read the problem and do the problem. Resume to see the solutions. We'll look at three ways to solve this problem. One, we'll use a list and one variable statistics. We'll sort the list in ascending order. And three, do it by hand. First, we'll use a list and one variable stats. So I'll press the stat button and 1 or enter to edit the statistics lists. And I'll type the numbers in, pressing enter after each one. And I would like you to do the same. So 87 and then enter. 85, enter, and so on. You may need to pause this to catch up with me. And double check to make sure you're typing in the correct numbers. And so you can see I'm going to list 11 would be next, and so that means we have 10 numbers in there. Let's go back to the home screen, press second mode to quit and go back to the home screen. Press stat, right arrow over to calculate, and press 1 or enter to do the one variable statistics. And list 1 is the default, so we'll leave it as list L1. And I'll press enter once, twice, 3 times. And this shows that the average or mean is 83, which is not what we want. The minimum is 55, quartile 1, 78. Pressing the down arrow, there's the median, 86, right there. So answer J. Second way is we're going to sort the list in ascending order. So I'll press stat and 1 for edit. Right now I'm in list 1, L1. I'll go over to list L2. And make sure you go to the very top of the list where it says L2 equals. This is not the top of the list, that's the first entry, very top of the list. And what we want to do is press the stat button and number 2, sort ascending. So I'll press 2 and I want to sort ascending second 1 for list 1, parentheses. And now when I go back to list 1, stat and edit, the list is now in ascending order. So since there are 10 elements, we want the average of the middle two, which is the average of 85 and 87. And the middle one there, of course, is 86. The one right in the middle of the 5th and 6th ones. And the third and final way is by hand. So what I need to do is assort these ascending by hand. So I'll go with the smallest number, 55. And then the next one looks like it would be 67, followed by 78. 81 would be the next biggest one. Then 85. And that's the 5th one. The 6th one is one of these 87s. And we don't have to go any further. So again, the median is going to be the average of those two, which is 86.